Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You know, the slime craze is still oozing its way through the internet, and I love slime. We do it at these big events, but you know what? It's a real bummer: cleanup. And sometimes people get it on their clothes, sometimes a kid will drop it in the carpet, and these are horrible situations. Even drop it on the sofa. So I want to give you a quick tip on how you can clean up that slime, and it's a really easy thing: vinegar. And I'm going to show you just how well it cleans up right now. So I've got some white slime here, and I've got some clear slime here, some galaxy slime, both of which have glitter in it. And I'm going to take a little bit of it, and I'm just going to put it on top of my felt here. Oh no! Slime, slime, slime on the felt. Oh no, slime on the carpet. Oh no, slime in my hair. Okay, there's our slime accident, right? Okay, and we do, we're going to try to pick off as much of it as we can. Here, wait, I want to leave it a little bit more. Get in there. I'm going to pick off as much of it as I can, right, so I don't have a ginormous blob. Okay, so I picked it off there. Okay, now we're going to try the vinegar. Now watch this. So this is vinegar. This is just plain, clear, white vinegar. Just pour some on here, pour some on here. Use a paper towel, and look at that. It pulls right off. See that? Pulls right off. Now, of course, the glitter is going to stay for a little while, but once it dries, you can shake that off. So that's the clear, and check it out with the white. As you can see, it happens really fast, really quick, and it totally cleans it up. Look at that. No more slime. And that's it. Clean up like that. Now, I just wanted to show you, this was a piece of felt that I had done earlier, and I let it dry, so you can see there's really no residue or stain left. It's really pretty amazing. So the answer to your slimy messes: vinegar. Now, if you've got an idea on how to clean up slime, leave it in the comments down below. And if you like this series, make sure to give us a thumbs up or pass us on to your friends. We love to be passed around. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.